Hello students. In this lecture we are going to discuss image formation by concave lens. Now the topic is image formation by concave lens, or you can say diverging lens. Fine. We have only two cases in this part. Case 1. Again we have to write all the 4 points like position of object, position of image, size of image and nature of image. Fine. So the first case is when the object is placed at infinity. Infinity means at infinite distance. So here is your concave lens. Principal axis. Object is placed at infinity. If the object is placed at infinity, in that case the light rays will come parallel to each other like this. Fine. Now the rule says if a light ray travels parallel to the principal axis, in the case of concave lens it appears to pass through focus. Clear? Again the second light ray is also parallel to the principal axis, so it appears to pass through focus. Fine. So at this point these two refracted rays will meet, so the image will form at focus. Clear? And the size of image is point size and the nature is virtual and erect. Fine. We can't obtain this image on the screen, so the nature is virtual and erect. Clear? Now case number 2. Again position of object is at any finite position. At any finite position, or you can say between infinity and optical center. Means the object is placed at any finite position. Again we have to write all the points, means position of image, size of image, last one is nature of image. Clear? So let's draw the ray diagram. So we have this concave lens. Object is placed at any finite position. Fine. First light ray will travel parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it will pass or appears to pass through focus. In the case of concave lens it appears to pass through focus. Second light ray will directly strike at optical center and it will go further without any bending. Fine. So at this point these refracted rays will meet, so the image will form between optical center and focus. So the image will form between optical center and focus. The size is diminished, means the size of image is smaller as compared to the size of object. Fine. And the last is nature is virtual and erect. Fine. I am repeating again. If the position of object is at infinity, in that case the image will form at focus. Fine. It will be point sized and nature is virtual and erect. If the object is placed at any finite position, in that case the image will form between focus and optical center. The image will be diminished and virtual and erect. Clear? Thank you.